Good medical morning. This is Watson. Adam's been working on this channel for several years, yet there is a topic that he's never tackled before. Milia. Let's see if we can fix that. Milia develop when tiny skin flakes become trapped in small pockets near the surface of the skin. Although milia can develop at any age, they're most common among newborns. In fact, nearly half of all infants develop them. Adults can develop milia on the face as well, including very delicate areas like the eyelids. Milia can even form on the arms or hands, especially in older patients with severe sun-damaged skin or those with certain acquired or genetic skin conditions associated with blistering. In older people, they occur also mainly on the face, but can occur anywhere. Let's look at a few more examples.
Using my probe onto the milia and just dry it up. How you doing? You alright, Hannah? Lovely. That's lovely, and it'll just...
Unlike acne, think of milia as tiny cysts. They don't form a pore and typically don't get inflamed or develop redness or swelling. They're not harmful, but they can be unsightly. And if they aren't on the eyelid or under the eye, you can simply and safely remove them at home. Leave a comment below. Have you ever had one of these on your face? What did you do to get rid of it? We recommend a pimple popping kit for the job. It's got all the right tools for milia, blackheads, and more. Stay tuned, and we'll give you some details, or just check out the link below. Thanks for watching.
Sometimes I had a hard time falling asleep, especially before big events at work. My mind would race. Rest more allows my mind to relax naturally, and it helps me get to bed at the same time every night. Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
When you just can't sleep and you need more rest, try buyrestmore.com, yes. It helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. It gives your brain what it needs, yeah.